section overview. So in this section, we are going to walk through all the UX designing steps one by one and step by step. You are going to feel like a real UX designer and do research, creating personas, wireframes, sketches, and all this awesome stuff which is very important for our iOS newsreader app design. By now you should have found your app idea. If not, you can go along with me without any problems whatsoever. So in the first lesson, I will show you how I come up with newsreaders target audience and what are the customers or users I'm looking for and where I should adjust my newsreader app design using personas. Then you are going to learn how to use storytelling techniques, also how to sketch out our idea on a paper, then how to make wireframes for the cleaner our app look, and we will create a prototype of our app online via InVision to see how it will look like when the user will use it. In between the lessons, I'm going to give you an assignment to make stuff on your own. And I hope I will see you in the next lesson. See ya.